So I'm out here in Riverside, California, cleaning some windows, and behind me you'll see the windows that I clean. Um, I just came up with this idea that people have, and I believe that's keeping their pools warm during the summer. So behind me, right here, there's a pool, and I think a great way to keep a pool warm would be to um, install some plumbing underneath some concrete, or bring them up to the top of the roof of a home. And because as a pool owner, you probably already know that you need to maintain your pool and keep a pump running to filter out the water and keep it clean. So by default, you need to do that anyway, the pumping process of the water. So you're already going to be needing electricity to perform that, or for the machine to perform that, right? So if you have a valve or something to make the water go to, like, say, like the street for simple purposes, but not in reality, but the street, so the tar is black, so it tracks the heat, and it makes the water warm. It will make the water warm. So that would be one way. Another way would be to do like an attraction for a curb appeal, so the water will get pumped through the pump, and you can make it go up to the top of the roof shingles, and you could actually like install a waterfall in the side of the home, falling down back into the pool, or in front of your home, circling to the back. So something similar like this. So the water will basically run to the to the top of the house, and then it'll drop, and then it'll be collected and then brought to the pool, and the process would basically repeat itself. The recycling process of the water. So you have, in a way, warm water. You have nicer curb appeal, or attraction for your guests that come over, something to entertain them with besides just a stagnant pool. So those were just some ideas that popped into my mind right now, and I just want to get them off my mind. So I'm sure some things like this are already out there, but it was just an idea, and I just wanted to share this with you guys. So thank you for listening. Have a great day.